Hello and welcome. This is Amanda, the Nerdy Krafter, and we are here today for day 24 of our Art Impressions Advent Calendar. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. If you've missed any of the previous ones, I do have a playlist in my YouTube channel. You can go back and watch all of them. But this has been so much fun. It has truly gotten me into my crafting again, my craft room, and having a blast. So thank you for joining me. So day 24 is this gorgeous little house. Now this house is about 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches. So this is 1 3/4 circle. So it does barely fit in there. So the outside of the stamp is that 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches. So very, very beautiful. So as I've mentioned before, there is a catalog that came with this set that allows me to go in and have a sneak peek of what the sets are, so I can kind of try to get some inspiration and think about, excuse me, I have the hiccups, what I may want to do for our card. So it gives me a little head start, but this is just all my first time doing it, so you get to see all the good, bad, and ugly, and if I make mistakes, you're right along with me. I've been storing all my stamps on this picture frame that I got from the Dollar Tree. I am going to transfer all of them, looks like I forgot to put yesterday's back on, to some sort of storage mechanism going forward, but for now I love having this out on my desk. There are times when I put a magnetic sheet in here and then I can stick my dies to it also. So this is a great tool to have out on your desk, very affordable. So you can keep all of your stamps, your dies right there where you need them. What I have decided to do is, again, I found another inspiration piece from Pinterest. It is a little house in kind of a wreath format. So I have drawn a circle using whatever circle I could find. So in this instance, it is my double-sided tape from scrapbook.com. And I've just traced a very light circle. You probably won't even be able to see it on the video. You can barely see it kind of right in here. So I do erase it a little bit so that way it doesn't actually show up. And the little dot here in the middle is my center, so I could find out where my center was. And I did that a little darker, so I'm going to take my sand eraser to help get rid of that. So for the house, I'm going to do a two-tone, and then I'm going to go around the outside, I think, as a wreath. So I'm going to go ahead and turn, I'm going to not talk, let you just listen along as we start crafting. So enjoy, and I will see you at the end of the video.